Hey guys, Matt over at EasyDent. Today I'm at our Duluth location and we've got a big day ahead of us. We're starting to install our brand new flooring here. We're actually going to do it at both of our shops over the next week. Want to talk about a little bit of the flooring options that we had on the table and why we chose the one we did, and then we'll just show you the process. So at a shop this size, you can go with a couple of different options. You can go with a buffed floor, you can go with an epoxied floor, or you can do some of these modular floorings. And when we first moved in, we went with an epoxy and we were really proud of it and thought it was a great fit. Unfortunately, it wasn't as long lasting as we were hoping for. Epoxy is really, really expensive to install, and what it does is sometimes in a shop this size, it starts flaking up. You know, a tire will come in and the tires are so hot, they'll actually, the paint will adhere to the tire. Sometimes when we're installing window film or PPF, little flakes of paint getting in there is not good for installs, and we're finding that that's the case. So we wanted a different option. We chose the modular flooring option, and if you don't know what that is, basically it's a snap together floor. These are hook and loop design, and you can do a lot of different colors. We went with red, black, and gray to kind of reflect our company colors, and you can put them in different patterns. There's a bunch of companies out there that do this. We chose a company called SwissTrax, SwissTrax. And this company is really, really solid. If you're looking at modular flooring, I'm just telling you, I've done a lot of experience, I've had a lot of experience and we've tried a lot of them. It's the best on the market. One of the things that we love about them is that they are larger than normal tiles. A lot of the tiles will come in 12 by 12 squares. These are actually 15 3/4 inch by 15 3/4 inch. That makes it where the tile's bigger. It's a little sturdier. It's less likely to buckle up when you do turn a tire on it. It also, these are great because the way they're molded, they've got track systems in here. And so for us, right over over my left shoulder is gonna be where we do our car washes. And so when we detail a car, we need that water to be able to flow towards the drain. And that's what this track system allows for. It also allows the water, the tracks up under here to breathe. So if any water doesn't drain out, it'll just evaporate just like normal. You're not gonna have any mold or anything like that. One of the things I love about these track systems is they're actually really sturdy. They hold together really well, but then when you do want to go to pull them up, if you bow them, they snap right apart. So the great news is, this is a Lease Shop. My Athens store is a Lease Shop. So we can actually take all these tracks with us if we move into a more permanent location, or if we move into a different space, or if we expand and need a larger shop, we can take all these with us, add on to them. And there's just a lot of great things about it. For us, it's gonna be a really good fit. And I'm excited because I think it'll make the shop just look incredible. When a customer drops their vehicle off, they want to know they've chosen the right spot. They want to know that we've invested in the facility and we're investing in their vehicle and we're gonna take good care of it. And I don't think anything says it more than just having a really nice looking shop with a great looking floor. So yeah, let's get in and we're gonna start this install process, and we'll just show you kind of the whole thing at the end. And we've even got one spot that we've hired out a company to do a painting of our logo on it. So we'll show you what that looks like once we get it installed. So thanks for checking us out, and let me know what you think. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. As you can tell, the flooring is in. It looks great. We could not be happier with it. SwissTrax just makes a heck of a product. One of the things that when we were laying this, we were concerned about was what happens if dust or debris gets below the surfaces. We found that just vacuuming it up sucks all that up. Any moisture that gets below, because there's airflow, it actually dries out. So sometimes when you turn, you have to be careful. When you turn, you've got to be moving your front tires. You can't just turn while it's stopped, and that's one of the things that we just have to get a little used to. But as you can tell, the lines look great. Even our logo, we had a company come in and paint basically our logo right on top of the tile, and then we clear coated over it so it'll hold up and last a long time. It took us around 2 full days of all hands on deck to lay this, and it's a big project for a shop this size. We've got 6,000 square feet, but It turned out amazing. We've already had customers just tell us that once they came in, they saw the flooring and they knew exactly that they were at the right place to drop their vehicle off. So if you have any questions about the SwissTrax product or any of the process that we went through, please reach out. We're happy to help. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.